Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video you can see how to YouTube channel searchable. So let's begin. First of all, you go to your channel and go to manage videos. Go to manage videos and go to settings and go to channel. Here is my keywords. You can type your keywords. Tech, work, star. You can type your keywords and save. You can find unique names that are not in YouTube. Your channel is in searchable in 3-4 hours. So if you are enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.